Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Easy Econometrics, where numbers speak and concepts click. In today's video, I will show you how to reshape your data from wide to long format in Stata 17, an essential step before doing any panel data analysis. Now let's break down the process one by one. On the screen, you can see two ways the data can be shown. Above one is the wide format, which is suitable for reading tables and reports, and below one is the long format, which is suitable for doing statistical and econometric analysis, in specific for time series and panel data analysis. See, here we have the per capita GDP data for 10 countries spanning the years 1991 to 2007. Here's what I did first. I added a unique ID column for each country. Next, I copied the data and pasted it straight into Stata's data editor. Okay, now click on data editor in the options. Next, select variable names. See, now data displayed on this screen. Okay, now at this data command window, type this command: reshape long PC GDP IID J year. Here IID basically defines the country identifier. So once it runs, see the output. Now data converted into long format. So with this long form data set now in place, we are all set to perform any panel data analysis with the help of this data. Okay, thank you for watching.